In this video, I'm going to review Littlelf security camera that you can use to monitor babies, pets, and general security reasons. So stay tuned. And the price at the moment of this recording is $38.99. The video quality of this camera is 1080p and it has the night vision as well. It does have the two-way audio. Like I mentioned, you can use the app. It does have the built-in microphone and the speaker with noise cancellation. So you can talk to your family and pets anytime, anywhere, directly from the app. It also has the real-time motion detection and remote alarm. So the motion detector works with the app. So every time there's a motion detected, it will send a photo to your phone so you can check what's going on. That's a pretty good feature. Okay, so let's go ahead and open the box and put this camera to the test. I'm assuming this is a mounting pot right there. Screws, power brick, the camera right here. The size is pretty small. It does support the 360 degree for pan and 155 for tilt. We have the card slot in the front for the memory card, and in the back we have the Ethernet jack, and we have the DC port for the power and the reset button in the back. Let's go ahead and install the app and test this camera. Okay, now I just downloaded the app and connected the camera to the power. So for the network, you need to actually be connected to the 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. Right now I'm connected to the 5 gigahertz. Switching to 2.4. Okay, now it's time to pair it with the camera. So I need to use this code and pair it with my camera. That was pretty fast and it got recognized. I heard the prompt, yes. Okay, now it's working. And I can see the video feed in my phone. I can control the direction of the camera like this. Hey guys, you can control it like that so you can monitor every direction. We can try, what is this? Oh, that goes to the full screen mode. So let me just take a picture like this. Right now it's recording. Just gonna move it a little bit left and right. And now if you go to the messages, every time the camera has detected a motion, it sends you a message with the picture that you can see what's going on and what happened, that the camera captured the motion. For the cloud service, you need to purchase a cloud service, and we have other features. You can do the playback. If you have installed the memory card, you can watch the videos on the memory card. We have the gallery, the pictures that I've taken already. Night mode is always on. It's on auto mode, so if the lights are off, it will show you the night vision. Okay, right now I'm capturing the night vision mode and the infrared lights are on and the camera is capturing with no light. And we have the motion tracking. So every time something moves, it will probably follow the motion. That is pretty cool feature, that it goes and follows the motion. We have the siren. So if I turn it on, it will probably gonna alarm. And also you can change the quality to HD and SD. So you can record on a lower resolution if you're recording on the memory card, so you have more footage saved on your memory card.
Okay, thank you guys for watching the video. Let me know if you have any question about this security camera. I'm gonna answer them in the comment section. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.